Welcome back to another video, guys. It has been a minute, I know. I've actually already recorded this video a couple weeks ago, but I'm going to redo it. Introduction to the new truck on the channel. It's a 2000 Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel, single cab, long bed, 5-speed manual. The truck I've always wanted. In the last video, we had a black Ram 2500 that was also a 2000, but we had some health issues. Life happens, things happen. Had to sell it, had to get rid of the daily, so we have a new daily as well. I'll have to show you that one. So let's get into it. So we've already done a lot of stuff to this truck, and those videos are going to be coming out here pretty soon. Some things we've done already. As I walk around this truck and show you, you might see it already done because everything's kind of new looking. But 5-inch exhaust video installs coming. We did a 1.5-inch lift already. New rough country shocks all around. We have tons of stuff to go on the interior. Under the hood, performance stuff. If you guys have any thoughts on what we should do, definitely going to get a programmer. Since having some health issues, it feels good just to get back outside, make a video, do some stuff in the garage. Someone has tried to restore this truck, and I think they did a pretty good job about it, but I didn't realize it until I started digging into the truck and working on the truck. And what I mean by that is, obviously, it looks really good. The white is really good. There's no fading. It has been painted. You can see some paint lines as I pulled off mud flap. Body work looks really well. And as I did a couple things on the engine, you can see where the fenders have the original fenders have been cut, and they did put some new fenders on it. But it's okay. They did a really good job. I'm sure it had some rust. I'm not sure about the cab corners or anything, but as of right now, it's all clean. It looks good. It's fresh. There's no rust on it besides the bumper. Now on the bumper, like I said, the only rust on this truck is this rear bumper right here. We're gonna be just replacing it. I think on Amazon, you can get this whole piece for like 125 bucks. It does have some 33s. These are a 305 70 16, which I like the rims. Tires are a little old, but they're not dry rotted. We're gonna run them for a while. They don't have any leaks. They're not loud. They run smooth. So we're gonna keep them for a while. Now the interior of this truck is where it shines, in my opinion. As you can see, it looks very, very clean. Now I will say it does have a dash cover on it. So at some point, I'm probably gonna order the dash kit, pull all this out, and try to get the original dash back in it. And one thing I really like is the fuel pressure gauge. It does have a fast fuel system on it, and that gauge location I love versus your pillar gauge. I want a good factory looking truck. Everything on the dash works. There's no lights on. Steering wheel has always been protected. Somebody has taken really good care of this truck. And if you pull the cover off, this steering wheel is not ate up. It's not degrading or anything like that. 5-speed 4-wheel drive. I would like to get the cup holders that you can put in here. Even the headliner looks really good. It's got a couple spots right in here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a couple spots, but otherwise it's not stained, it's not falling down. Now the seats obviously have been reupholstered. This is not something from Dodge. Nothing's torn, and I'm not sure if was this a style in 2000 or has somebody put new seats in here. I'm not sure. I thought the seat belts went inside like my last truck, but I do like this. And then on the floor, it does have the kind of washout floor, which I love. Looks new, it's clean. I did a lot of cleaning on it, but I really like it. Now we've already done oil changes, which there's probably gonna be a video on that. Air filter changes, fast fuel system, I forgot to mention, it does have. I changed those filters. We're gonna be changing the fluid on the manual transmission next. Make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like, subscribe. Always, thanks for watching. Sorry there hasn't been many videos, but we're gonna try to get back into it. So we'll leave you there. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.